Here is Julie's box. I just finished going over everything on it. I put a new battery in it. It's a super polymer lithium-ion battery, 4 amp hours. And I went ahead and I replaced the logo. It was a little bit looking a little bit faded, so I put a new one on there. Touched up the cabinet. Noticed there was a little bit of the actual finish was lifting a little bit, so I glued that down, did some touch up, and there's a look at it's build number 70. You can see that it was out of a run of 22 boxes. This was the last of the 22 black boxes I did. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. It's got Bluetooth. If you turn the Bluetooth on, you get that chime. And then if you connect with your phone or tablet or whatever, you'll get another chime. So, but I'll turn that off and go ahead and run the radio.
There you go. Turn it up.
Alt to F. And with the from
So for this box, you have your on-off switch. This is the volume. This is for Bluetooth. This is your EMF pickup. And in the back, you can turn the display on and off. This button here selects the different display modes. This input here is for an external radio. And this here is your charger, which is going to be included. You just plug it right in, see it light up there, plug it in the wall, and give it, I don't know, maybe 4 hours, depends. Usually just leave it on overnight, and then it's for sure charged.